Creatine, this is the White Behemoth. 5 grams of creatine per scoop. This is what this kind of scoop looks like. Does taste very good. It's pretty sweet, so I'm not going to put a full scoop in mine, but I'll show you what it looks like. It's not blue or anything like that, but close it down, and it does taste. It actually tastes very well, very, very good. So if you're trying to get your water in, your hydration, along with your creatine, you just have problems drinking water, because when you're on creatine, you want to definitely drink a lot of water. This is a good alternative, because it tastes very, very good. I'll take it. Yeah, and actually it's pretty sweet. I'm not a big sweet person, so you probably could split this into 2 different ones. Half a scoop in each one of these mixers, and you'll have plenty of hydration throughout the day. But yeah, stuff tastes very, very good. Highly recommend it.